My name is Boma, and I just wanted to give my experience. 2 weeks ago, I had a hip replacement, and by the grace of God, my spiritual master, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, and Dr. Vijay Bose and assistants, I feel very good. The surgery went successful, and I recommend the professional doctors and the staff being very friendly, very courteous in America. But I prefer to pay a reasonable amount for top quality service here. This particular doctor and team at SIMS Hospital was recommended by two people who have had successful surgery, and I wanted to go to a hospital and to a team of surgeons that I could trust, and because this is my body, and he guaranteed the ceramic hip replacement for 30 years, so I'm good to go. Every day for the last 10 years, I've noticed that my ability to walk was decreasing, and about 4 years ago, in California, I went in for physical therapy. Still, no one had identified the actual problem. Only about a year and a half ago was it diagnosed as the hip joint needed to be replaced. So in the last 2, 3, 4 years, been very painful. I've fallen down a lot, and my mobility is completely reduced with limping with a cane. So this is a whole new lease on life. I'm very happy. I wanted to delay my recovery so I could stay longer in the hospital because everyone was so kind and so conscientious, from the person who delivered the paper, the person who took the blood pressure, the person who asked you about your menu, food service. Everyone was just so wonderful and encouraging, and of course being sort of like a white elephant from California, I attract a lot of attention, and I talk to a lot of sincere, lovely people. And I thank SIMS Hospital for my care. I've had two operations. The first one was in December, fixing my foot. So this is a long relationship, and as they say, all good things come in three, and I might have another one. Well, I came to India first time in 1975. Came in 76, started coming on a regular basis in 2013. I've lived in Mayapur for 3 years. I've been a member of the Hare Krishna movement since 1970. India is, I feel more at home in India. It's a spiritual culture. Only spiritual solutions can solve the world's problems. And I found a complete comfortability with everybody who are so dedicated to their craft, their art, their skill, to make people healthier, able to pursue spiritual goals in addition to their normal life. Thank you. Hare Krishna.